Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop a toilet that's leaking water into the bowl, which is actually the Caroma Stylus WC. So first off, with this system, it's very easy. You just have to pop the lid up and then that's it. And what we're going to do is we're going to flush all the water out from the cistern. First we're going to turn off the tap, which is off. Now, the problem is actually the washer that's in the cistern itself. Now, if the water keeps falling down, this little fella will keep on pouring water in, which is why some might have problems hearing all the water gushing in all the time. So once we fix this issue, that will be solved in theory. So in order to get access to the washer to stop the leak, we've got to pull this fella out. Now, if this is a newly installed cistern, it's very difficult. Some people find it very difficult to pull it out because it's very tight. But all you got to do is just twist and pull, and then you've got it out. You see? So you shake all the water out, and then now this is the issue that we have here, which is the washer. So we got to pull this washer out, and as you can see, it's there's some bubbles already on this fellow here. It's funny, this is only 3 years old and it's already starting to have this problem. So which is why the water is leaking into the bowl. So what we need to do is replace that. Now you can go to the Green Church of B and get this fella here. It comes with 2 sets. All we need to do is get the white one, which is it's almost similar. So we'll crack that out and then replace it. So pull it out. Okay, I'm not sure what the red one's for, but we'll leave that aside. We don't need that. Give it a check. Okay. Take that and put it right in between where it was, so make sure it's flat. So I'm going to fit that in. Shouldn't be that difficult. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and tight, nice fitting. No worries, just water in the cistern. Okay, that looks good. So we've got to check it again. Gonna make sure that we got it all right. There's 2 symbols here, so that's the half flush and that's the full flush. So make sure be right in there, as we were before. Drop it in there, and then do the same thing but in reverse, and you twist it back in. There we go. So turn back the valve to get the water back in. Let it fill up. And once it's filled up, and then that should do it. You just have to put the lid back in. And there you go. As easy as that. So this is how you fix a toilet that's leaking water in the bowl. I hope this video helps you save a couple of dollars from calling the plumber. So yeah.